Annyeonghaseyo Yorban. I'm your Korean language teacher Ahmed, and today our class is about chapter number 5. Nalcha is date, Wa and Yo-il. Yo-il is days of the week. He is saying Sa-wol Ship-yuk-il-e Musan Yo-il-e. What is the day on April 16? Hawa-yo-il-e. Because here you can see Hawa-yo-il is Tuesday. OV number 1. Vocabulary is about Yoil. Yoil is days of the week. So there are complete days of the week starting from Monday. Monday is Vor Yoil. One thing you can notice, Yoil is attached with every name of the day. Vor Yoil Monday, Hawa Yoil Tuesday, So Yoil Wednesday, Mok Yoil Thursday, Khum Yoil Friday, Tho Yoil Saturday, Ir Sunday. Now there is a word onal. Onal is today. OJ is yesterday. And Neil is tomorrow. Pyongil is weekdays. From Monday to Friday, working days are Pyongil. And Chumal is weekend. Saturday and Sunday is weekend in Korea. Weekend is Chumal. There is another word Meil. Meil is every day. Look at the picture number 1. Onal e Musan yoil yeo. What is the day today? Onal is here. Onal is today. Now the day is Khumyoil. We can say Khumyoil yeo. Number 2. Neil Musan yoil yeo. What is the day tomorrow? Onal is Hawayoil. So next is Soyoil. We can say Soyoil yeo. Number 3. On Ri Musan Yoil Eo. What is the day today? Onel is Mukyoil. You can see Mukyoil Eo. Number 4. Neil Musan Yoil Eo. What is the day tomorrow? So Onel is Voryoil. So tomorrow it will be Hawayoil Eo. Now in the grammar section part 1, we can learn A. A is actually indicating Shigan. Shigan is time. A is for indication the time. You can see here Voryoil A. Voryoil A il heo. I work on Monday. Kumyoil A Yonghwaral Phayo. I watch movie on Tuesday. Chumare Shio. I take rest on weekend. So you can see A is indicating the time. Now there is a practice with pictures, and you can see this picture in number 1. Iriuel. Now this is Shida. Shida is take rest. So we can say Iriuere Shioyo. Number 2, there is Pyongwon. Hwayoil A Pyongwone Khayo. We can use Khayo because we are making present sentences. Number 3, Myeongshil is hair salon. Mokyoile Myeongshile Khayo. I go to hair salon on Mokyoil. Mokyoil is Thursday. Number 4, Toyoile Ilheo. I work on Toyoil Saturday. Now you can see there is a complete weekly schedule of a person. Now the Pogi is Voryoile Moheo. What you do on Monday? You can see Voryoil. This is Voryoil. Shijang e Khayo. In the picture you can see Shijang e Khayo. I go to market. Now number 1. The answer is Ondong Heo. Ondong Heo is here. So our question will be Soyo ile mo heo. What you do on Wednesday? Answer is Undong heo. I do exercise. Number 2, shopping heo. Here is shopping. So our question will be Toyo ile mo heo. Number 3, unhenge khayo. Unhenge khayo. In the picture there is unhang. So our question will be Khumyo ile mo heo. What you do on Friday? He will answer 은행에 가요. I will go to bank. Number 4. 영화를 봐요. 영화를 봐요 is watching movie. So here is our question will be 화요 일에 뭐해요? What you will do on Tuesday? So answer is 영화를 봐요. I watch movie. Now there is 대화 number 1. Let's listen.
푸캄 씨, 주말에 뭐 해요?
푸캄 씨 주말에 on the weekend 뭐해요? What you will do?
토요일에 한국어를 공부해요.
토요일 is Saturday. 한국어 is Korean language. 공부해요. I study Korean on Saturday.
일요일에 운동해요.
일요일에 on Sunday 운동해요. I do exercise.
오늘은 뭐 해요?
오늘은 today 뭐해요? What you are going to do?
오늘은 영화를 봐요.
오늘 today 영화 movie 봐요 watch. I am watching a movie today. So we have two questions. 푸캄 씨는 매일 한국어 배워요. 매일 is every day. 푸캄 is study Korean language every day. So we can say 아니요, no. Then our answer is 토요일에 한국어를 공부해요. Next question. 푸캄 씨는 일요일에 뭐 해요? 일요일에 뭐 해요? We can say 일요일에 운동해요. 푸캄 씨는 일요일에 운동해요. This is our answer. So in the next we have two pictures and one conversation. The conversation is made with these words and after that we will try with these words. 토요일에 뭐 해요? What you do on Saturday? Our word is here. 운동해요. I exercise. 니차는 신. 토요일에 뭐 해요? What you do on Saturday? 저는. Our word is here. 저는 요리해요. I cook food. So we will make our sentence with these words. 일요일에 뭐 해요? What you do on Sunday? Our next word is 쉬다. 쉬어요. I take rest. 니차는 씨. 일요일에 뭐 해요? What you do on Sunday? So next word is television을 보다. We can say 저는 텔레비전을 봐요. I watch TV. So there is a pronunciation. Let's listen.
1. 주의,
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 강의,
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 예의,
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 예의.
2.
Number 2.
사랑의,
사랑의,
사랑에,
사랑에,
우리의,
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 우리의. So there is next OHV vocabulary number 2. The vocabulary is related 날짜, date, 관련, about OHV vocabulary. 지난달 is last month. 이번 달 this month. Running month. 다음 달 next month. There is 사월. 사월 is April. So 월 is actually month. If you want to learn months in Korean language, there is not like January, February, March. These names are not in Korean language. Just put number and then vol, like irvol, evol, samvol, savol. And in 6 and 10, you must be careful. Not yukvol, you will say yuvol. And in 10th month, not you can say shipwal, you will say shewal. Okay. Now there is a calendar of April. You can see Chinanchu. Chinanchu is last week, 4 to 10. And Ibanchu is this week. There is Onal. Onal is today. So 11 to 17, this is Ibanchu. Chu is actually week. Taungchu is next week from 18 to 14. Il is day and Vol is month. So Sucha is actually number from 1 to 30. In Sino counting, you will learn from here il, e, sam, sa, o, yuk, chil, phal, khu, ship. And the next from 10, you will say ship il. 11, ship e. 12, ship sum. 13. And for the big figures like round figure 20, 30, 40, you will add at the left of ship, like e ship is 20, some ship is 30, and for 31 you will say some ship il. Okay, some ship e is 32. So there are also some important vocabulary like chakneon is last year, olhe is this year, running year, neneon next year, onje is when, sangil is birthday, chingu friend, cake is cake, miyokguk is a sweet soup dish. Now there is some practice. You can see this picture. Onri myot wal myot chil yeo. What is the day today? Onal. You wal e ship il eo. You wal e ship il. Eo. You can say Yuval Iship il Eo. Next picture, number 2. Onri Myotwal Myochil Eo. What is the day today? You can say Parval Chir il Eo. Parval Chiril Eo. August 7. Number 3. Onri Myotwal Myochil Eo. What is the day today? You can say Shival Iship il Eo. Next is number 4. On re myotwal myochil eo. What is the day today? You can say samwal ship oil eo. Now there is munfob number 2. Us, os and has. Actually this is past tense. In past tense, if you are going to make a past tense in Korean language, you must add as-soyo, os-soyo and has-soyo at the end. If the last letter of your verb is a and o, then you will attach as. For completing, you will add oyo, as-soyo. If other than a and o, all the other things, then you will add os, then oyo, os-soyo. For hada format, you will add his soyo. In the example, you can see 작년에 한국에 왔어요. I came to Korea last year. Number 2. 어제 빵을 먹었어요. I eat bread yesterday. Number 3. 지난주에 last week shopping 했어요. I did shopping. So there are some pictures and we can make our sentences with past tense. 어제 is yesterday. 어제 회사에 갔어요. Number 2. 어제 커피를 마셨어요. Number 3. 어제 텔레비전을 봤어요. Number 4. 어제 일했어요. There is no need to, in hada format, no need to see a and o. Just put 했어요. In the next picture, we have a calendar and some activities on different dates in the Phogi. Oval Iship Chirile Mo Hesoyo. What you did on 5th month and 27 date. We can say shopping. Okay. 쇼핑했어요. The other things we can make our answers. 5월 6일에 뭐 했어요? What you did on the 6th May. So 6th May is here. We can say 영화를 봤어요. Number 2. 5월 10일에 뭐 했어요? What you did on the 10th of this month. So 10th is here. We can say 운동했어요. Number 3. 지난주 last week. 화요일 is Tuesday. 뭐 했어요? What you did. So this is actually 이번 주 and last week is here. 지난주 and 화요일 is here. Okay. So he did study. We can say 공부했어요. Number 4. 어제 뭐 했어요? 어제 is yesterday. 뭐 했어요? What you did on yesterday. Actually this is 29. Okay. 9. We can say 요리했어요. 요리했어요. I made food. 대화 number 2. Let's listen.
생일이 언제예요?
생일이 언제예요? 생일 is birthday. 언제 when? When is your birthday?
5월 20일이에요.
5월 20일이에요. It's May 20th.
생일에 뭐 했어요?
생일에 뭐 했어요? What you did on your birthday?
친구가 기숙사에 왔어요.
친구가 friends 기숙사에 기숙사 is dormitory 왔어요. came. My friends came to the dormitory.
케이크를 먹었어요.
케이크를 먹었어요. We ate cake. So there are two questions. 타라 씨 생일은 언제예요? We can say 5월 20일이에요. Next is 타라 씨는 생일에 뭐 했어요? We can say 케이크를 먹었어요. So there is a picture and a conversation. 생일이 언제예요? When is your birthday? Our words are here. 10월 1일. It's on 1st October. 생일에 뭐 했어요? What you did on your birthday? Our word is here. 미역국을 먹었어요. I eat 미역국. 미역국 is a dish. So now we are making our sentences with these words. 생일이 언제예요? When is your birthday? We can say 6월 7일이에요. 생일에 뭐 했어요? What you did on your birthday? 영화를 봤어요. I watched movie. Now there is a 표현. 표현 is a daily life expression.
뭐 드시겠어요?
뭐 is what 드시겠어요? You would like to eat. What would you like to eat?
손님, 뭐 드시겠어요?
손님 is customer. 뭐 what 드시겠어요? What you like to eat?
비빔밥 주세요.
비빔밥 is a dish name. Choose your give me.